In front of me is NUBIA Neo free, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. To begin by finding clock app that's already on your device and tapping on it. Now choose alarm at the bottom left corner and tap on this plus icon to create a new one. Now it's time to adjust it, which is my favorite part. You can pick an hour at the top. Don't worry, you can change all of those whenever you want to. And pick one of those repeat options. Once, weekdays, and custom. In custom section, click on days of the week you wanna set up and select save. Now click on snooze to decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. You can also enable or disable it thanks to this switcher at the top. Go back, hit alarm tone, and pick one of those. Tap on apply at the bottom right corner if you wanna pick it. Or select all ringtones at the bottom and click on one of those. Then hit OK to save it. If you wanna pick a ringtone from your music, hit music at the top, tap on it, and hit OK. Then go back and use this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to disable or enable it. Hit label to name it and OK to save its name. Now to save your new alarm, use this checkmark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To switch it on or off, use this switcher right next to it and pick one of those options in the pop-up. If you want to edit it, click on it, make any changes and tap on the checkmark again. In case you wanna get rid of your alarm, you can hold it and tap on the delete button at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!